Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to turn off auto download in WhatsApp. Friends, in WhatsApp we receive lot of media messages like images and videos which are auto download to our mobile and kills lot of mobile internal memory. So to turn off auto download of media messages in WhatsApp, you simply need to open WhatsApp app. In WhatsApp you need to press on these three dots. Now here press on settings. Now in settings you need to press on storage and data. Now here under media auto download you need to press on when connected on Wi-Fi. Now here deselect auto download of photos, audio files, video files and documents and press on OK. Now do the same setting for mobile data usage. So press on when using mobile data. Now here photos are selected by default. So deselect all the selected medias and press on OK. Likewise, you need to deselect all medias when connected on roaming. In my case, they are already deselected. So friends, after doing the setting, no media file will be automatically downloaded on my mobile phone. I need to manually press on the image or video to download it on my mobile phone. So friends, like this you can very easily turn off auto download in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.